Hey, Lavender here. Today we're going to do a different type of video. I figured we'd try some TCG. So I bought a box of Forbidden Light to open up. I went ahead and unwrapped it because I wanted to open a pack. So this is the first pack that I actually opened. I'll just show it on camera. So if you guys collect the code cards, there's that one there, if you guys want the code. Okay, I don't really do the card trick, so yeah, just bear with me. So we've got Hone Edge, Helioptile, Skidoo, Dupida, Scatterbug, Torterra Hollow, and we got a Dialga GX. So that was our first pull, which is great. So we're gonna go ahead and grab a sleeve for that. Then we got Energy, Hooper, Lysandre Labs, and a Mesprit. Okay, so the rest of the box. Oh, okay, so here's all the packs. Let's go ahead and take those out. There. I'll leave the box there. And the pack's there. Cool. So, pack number 2. Okay, so the code is there. And we've got a Flabébé, a Litleo, Cubone, Scatterbug, Snova, a Volcanion, and a Greninja GX. So there's 2 GXs in a row. Alright, cool. We'll hold on to that. Energy, Mesprit, Unidentified Fossil, and a Yuxi. Okay, so the code card is there. We've got Krogunk, Froakie, Flabébé, Gibble, Clauncher, Guzzlord Hollow, and a Torterra regular rare. Followed by Energy, Yuxi, Crash Awake, and a Zelf. Okay. So the code card is there, if you guys want it. And we've got Pancham, Bergmite, Scatterbug, Gloomy, Dupida, Skidoo, and Xerneas GX. We're actually doing really well in this box. We've got 3 GXs so far. We've got Energy, Hawlucha, Mora, and Unit Energy. Okay, so there's the code there. We've got Bunnelby, Froakie, Magnemite, Pinnacle, Flabébé, Gibble, Hollow, and a Florges regular rare. Followed by an Energy, Klefki, Yuxi, and a Lady Trainer. Okay, so the code card is there. So we've got a Helioptile, Flabébé, Pinnacle, Magnemite, Cubone, Diantha regular rare, and a Vivillon. Diantha Hollow, and a Vivillon regular rare. Followed by an Energy, Doublade, Hawlucha, and a Brixen. Okay, so there's the code. And then we've got Noibat, Pancham, Esper, Execute, Scatterbug, Pyroar Hollow, and a regular rare Marowak. Long Marowak. So we've got Leaf Energy, Hooper, Lysandre, and Gogoot. Okay, code cards there. We've got Snova, Scatterbug, Rockruff, Skrelp, Litleo, Goomy, regular rare, a hollow, reverse hollow, and a Garchomp hollow card, if you can see that little shine. So then we've got a Fire Energy, Frogadier, Sliggoo, and a Zygarde. Okay, so there's a code card. Got Skiddo, Noibat, Inkay, Fennekin, Rockruff, Hawlucha, Reverse Holo, and a Beast Ring regular rare. Followed by an Energy, Gogoat, Floette, and a Magneton. Okay, so code cards there. So we've got Litleo, Cubone, Scatterbug, Snover, Skrelp, Goodra, Reverse Holo, and an Empoleon Holo card. Followed by a Water Energy, Diggersby, Heliolisk, and a Magneton. Okay, so there's the code card there. And then we have Gibble, Flabebe, Skidoo, Froakie, Helioptile, Bonnie, Reverse Holo, and a regular rare Meowstic, followed by Energy, Sliggoo, Frogadier, and Enneporter. Enneporter? Okay, so we've got the code there, and we've got Fennekin, Inkay, Pancham, Dupiter, Fennekin, Chloritza, and a Chloritza regular rare, followed by an Energy and a Lady, an Arachnid. And Klefki as well. I forgot to put these down. Oops. Okay, so next pack. Code card is there, if anyone who wants it. So we've got a Krogunk, Froakie, Flabebe, Gibble, Clauncher, Binnacle Reverse Holo, and a Buzzwole regular rare. Followed by an Energy, Arachnid, Unidentified Fossil, and a Dedenne. Okay, so code is there, and let's get through it. So we've got Litleo, Fennekin, Clauncher, Binnacle, Rockruff, Reverse Holo Dragalge, and an heyyyy Slash, regular rare. Followed by a Water Energy, Sweeper, Dedenne, and Amora. Okay, we've got the code there. So we've got Bergmite, Honedge, Furfrou, Skidoo, Goomy, regular rare, Reverse Holo Inkay, and a Holo Pyroar. Followed by a Psychic Energy, Judge Trainer, a Magneton, and a Gogoat. So we haven't had any pulls since that Xerneas, so I'm curious if there's anything else good in the pack. So we got a trainer card there, a code card. Furfrou, Goomy, Dupiter, Fennekin, Pancham, Obama Snow, Reverse Holo, and a regular rare Avalugg. Followed by Fire Energy, Fossil Excavation Map, a Zygarde, and a Doublade. Okay, so code card is there. And let's have a look. We've got the Noibat, Inkay, Fennekin, Rockruff, Flabebe, Magnemite, Reverse Holo, and a Goodra Holo, which is fairly nice. Then we've got the Fighting Energy, the Sweeper, the Zygarde, and the Mysterious Treasure. So I think we're just over halfway through the pack. What do you guys think so far? There's a code card there. If you guys like these kind of videos, I'll make more. If not, I'll continue with my regular walkthroughs. But leave a like and a comment if you guys want to see more. So we've got a reverse holo Delphox and a holo Guzzlord there. Followed by Flying Energy, a heyyyy, Mysterious Treasure, and a Zelf. Okay, so code card is there. So we've got Snova, Scatterbug, Rockruff, Squirrel, Litrio, Reverse Holo Fennekin, Malamar, Energy, Holucha, Unit Energy, and Brixen. Okay, code there. So we've got Execute, Noibat, Magnemite, Squirrel, Furfrou, a Arceus Burst card, I believe they're called. And then we've got the Sylveon, regular rare, Energy, Ultra Space, Metal Frying Pan, and the Hooper. So far we're only on 3 GX. A little bit of a letdown, but if we can get to 6, I'm happy. So Cody's there. We got Gibble, Rockruff, Goomy, Honedge, Helioptile, Enderporter, Reverse Holo, Pangoro. This is the regular rare, and they've got Energy, Dark Energy, Diggersby, Ultra Recon Squad, and Heliolisk. Okay, code card is there. So we've got Honedge, Noibat, Gibble, Execute, Goomy, Tyrant, Obama Snow. This is a regular rare, and we've got the Fairy Energy, Frogadier, Enderporter, and the Unidentified Fossil. So we've got a few more packs to go. We're almost running out of time, so I might have to do like a miniature part 2 to this. But there's the code card. Okay, so we've got Goomy, Dupiter, Fennekin, Pancham, Skidoo, Scatterbug, Reverse Holo, Executory, regular rare. Followed by Fire Energy, Aquanid, Ultra Space, and Poipole. Okay, so there's the code. Got Honedge, Furfrou, Skidoo, Goomy, Fennekin, Empoleon Reverse Holo, and a regular rare Barnacle. Water Energy, Floette, Poipole, and a Mesprit. So I've got a few packs left, guys. I might actually leave it there because we actually have run out of time. But if you like the video, give us a like and a comment. I appreciate it. Until next time, play on, player.